Yeah, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do a heart shaped tie-dye on a t-shirt. It didn't come out perfect. You can get the rough idea of how to do it. So you need a white t-shirt and you're going to fold it straight in half down the middle. Try and make sure there's no creases in it because you want it nice and flat, lined up. Because it'll make the heart a lot more symmetrical if it's nice and flat. And then we're going to draw half of a heart from the middle in the middle of the t-shirt. So I'm going to use a pencil because I actually I didn't have a felt tip that would wash out. Yeah, permanent markers. So I used a pencil, which isn't a great thing to do if you can't see it. So you're basically going to draw a heart shape, half a heart shape, onto the t-shirt. So obviously when you open up, it's a full heart. And then we're going to start folding up. And it's not right in the middle of the camera, I'm sorry. But pretty much start from the bottom of the heart and you just fold it up. And you want the outline of the heart to basically line up. So as you're going around the curve of the heart, move the t-shirt round so you're left with a solid line in the creases of the heart you drew. Hopefully you can understand that. I don't know how else to explain it. So keep moving the t-shirt round so the line you drew is a straight line. So it'll be across there. Then I'm going to tie this with elastic band. Not really tying, is it? So I'm just going to put elastic band around it. You can use string or something as well. I just find elastic bands are easy and you can use them over and over again. And now I'm just going to section off to just keep the rest of it in place and basically section off so I know where I want the next colours. So I'm going to make sure the other part of it is nicely creased, not too bulky. And then I'm going to add another elastic band. And then I'm just going to add a few going down, keeping it all together. Okay, so once I've done that, it's actually time to add the colour. So it's just got some fabric colour in a bottle, and each of the sections I'm going to do a different colour. I'm going to make sure it's nice and soaked and do it on both sides. Once you've done one side, just flip it over and add the same colour to the same section. As you see, that blue kind of fed quite a bit. But I didn't want this to be perfect anyway. And you do that to the whole thing so it's all covered in dye. You don't have to completely cover it if you don't want. If you want some white bits left on it, you don't have to completely make sure it's all soaked in. You want to make sure it goes all into the creases and everything as well. If you're using like a mixed fabric t-shirt, you might want to actually dampen it first before you actually start this. Then the dye spreads a bit. Then you want to place it in a plastic bag or wrap it up in some cellophane or something and then just leave it for however many hours it says on the dye. Usually it's between 6 and 8 hours, that is. Then you want to thoroughly rinse it off. So I rinsed mine and then I did actually pop it in the wash as well. Before it was all done. And this is what it looked like. It does need an iron, I know that. The heart didn't come out perfect, but it was my first go and I'm pretty happy with it. So thanks for watching. Hope you try it out too. See you in my next video. Bye.